It's a little bit difficult when you start thinking about the torque. I'm going to try to explain it to you here. The calcaneus will go either anterior and medial, or it'll go anterior and lateral, okay? It'll go posterior and lateral, or posterior and medial, or it'll go straight posterior. Now, when we're adjusting from the anterior, you can see these nice little projections that are on here that's easy for us to contact, and that's where we're going to be. And of course, this one right here is where we press for which test? The calcaneal squeeze test, right? And that's for what when we press here? When it's painful. For plantar fasciitis, right there. That's exactly right. So it might be tender here on the patient, so you have to learn how to be firm and gentle and do what you need to do. Get in and out as quick as you can. The least pain you cause your patient, the better. Okay, so our motion palpation for the calcaneus was like this. Does everybody remember? We're going to stabilize onto the talus, remember? And we're just going to grab this and we're going to put it in this figure 8. Does everybody remember? Try to stabilize it as much as you can and just compare it. We're really just looking at that subtalar joint. That's the joint right below the talus. Okay. Now, if it doesn't go lateral and it doesn't go posterior, then of course it's anterior and medial. So when we thrust this, I'm going to get you to scoot back a little bit on the table. You want to have your forearm parallel with the patient's foot. Does everybody see what I'm saying? I'm not coming in like this. My arm is parallel. And when I torque it, it's just like turning a key. Okay, a lot of people want to do this. This is not the torque. It's this. Okay, it's just basic supination. Okay, has everybody got that? Supination. So when we set up on it, we're here. I'm going to come in here with my chiropractic index finger. What bone do you think I'm trying to stabilize when I'm doing this? The talus, because that's sliding right underneath the talus. So I'm going to take my slack out here. I want to contact right on this bump here, get a good hold, and I'm going to thrust this way, and I'm going to torque like this. Does everybody see? Because when it goes medial, the joint is open on the outside. So when I thrust, it's just like this. Okay, so everybody got that? If I was going to do it on anterior lateral, we're just going to show you both the anterior ones, okay? It's the same mechanism, exact same thing. I'm stabilizing what again? Talus. I want to keep my forearm as parallel as I can to the bottom of the foot, stabilize, and I'm going to thrust this way. Okay? Has everybody got that? I know you probably don't, but you see me doing it, and then hopefully you'll look at the videos and practices, but we're going to practice right now. So let's grab a pen.